processed food, they consume them, and they die. Well, that's not all. There are fishermen lines left behind by fishermen. Well, you might think these are just lines, right? Well, these lines can cause damage. Damage such as a broken flipper. And it is really hard to swim or walk with a broken flipper. Now, fortunately, this is an act for Musa, but it is not the reality for his friends out there. We can help. And how can we help? We can practice our 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. So how do we do that? We can reduce our usage of one-time plastic bags by investing in a canvas bag. These bags are durable and you can use them many times throughout their lifespan. Now the second of all is reuse. So how do we do that?